Hello, and welcome to the Jacobi Palletizer tutorial. My name is Swapnil, and I'll be walking you through the setup of our Palletizer software. In this video, we'll finally inaugurate our Palletizer by letting it palletize. In doing so, we're going to walk through the average anticipated workflow of our Jacobi Palletizer and how to make the most of our software to make your palletizing as smooth as possible. Once connected to the robot and having an activated setup, for details on this, watch the previous videos on setting up a setup and specifying your hardware and signal settings. You get access to the following HMI. It is important to know that you cannot start palletizing unless your robot is firmly at home first. So let us do that right now. We have to press and hold the Go to Home button to have the robot go home. This is the same home position that we've defined in our Jacobi project in Jacobi Studio. If we let go, the robot stops mid-motion and we have to hold it again till it reaches there. Once we're at home, we can start palletizing. Before we do, we want to make sure, as we did in the settings, that our signals are set to affect our gripper and that we have suction enabled. We can then press Start Palletizing and the robot will begin to move as follows. It will continue to pick up and place boxes based on our last planned active setup until we either say pause it, and when we pause the robot this way, it stops in the middle of the motion and will continue from exactly where it left off once we resume. We can also stop the robot motion after it's done with whatever box it's currently holding or whatever pallet it's currently working on as well. The Jacobi Palletizer is also capable of helping you handle the problems and challenges that come with the territory of palletizing. For example, the robot will notify you for situations where it is unable to pick up a box, or if a box was dropped midway through a palletizing motion, or if an emergency stop was pressed, among many others. In a situation like this, keep an eye out for the error pop-up and refer to the instructions within it for guidance to solve your specific issue. Thanks for watching, and good luck palletizing.